So, you're interested in AI and automation? You must be, or you wouldn't be watching these videos, right? But why are you interested? What are you aiming to get out of applying automation technologies, including AI, in your organization? Hi, I'm Ward-Dutton. I work for IDC in Europe, leading our AI and our business automation practices. And in these weekly short videos, I'm talking about recent research we've done in our practices, conversations we've had, and ideas we're exploring. I've been working in this space for a long time. And what I've seen is that most of the time, the why of automation has been all about driving process efficiency or quality. These process-centric takes on automation are about designing systems in ways that are all about optimizing the production of things for the benefit of the corporation doing the producing. However, even before the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic started to be felt, but certainly accelerated by that, we're also starting to see AI and automation being explored from different perspectives. Rather than looking at the value of automation primarily through the lens of process, forward-thinking organizations are now looking at automation through the lens of improving the effectiveness of people and the work they do and the fitness of the environment that they work in. Very often, because of the failures and the limitations of previous attempts to implement software to help drive business operations, many people's experiences of work are dampened or even blighted by the ways that existing systems fail to support the real needs of their jobs as they are today. The COVID situation has forced organizations of all shapes and sizes to confront new realities in the workplace: remote and distributed work, flexible working hours, unpredictable availability due to illness and other commitments, as well as the need to deal with unpredictable and sometimes volatile demand. And these challenges lay bare the shortcomings of so many of today's administrative business systems, which were implemented around now very outdated assumptions that I call the who, what, when, where, and how of work. So there's a growing movement now to use automation and AI within that to fill the gaps between the assumptions that old systems were designed around and the realities of today's workplace. It's about driving resilience and anti-fragility into the workplace, and it's about enabling people to be as effective as possible and freeing them up from essentially spending their time serving the outdated expectations of legacy systems and processes. Now, I suppose the distinction between these different automation starting points is kind of interesting, but it's not the main thing I really wanted to get across. The main thing I wanted to get across is that your why for automation, your rationale, really colors the approach you're going to need to take to deliver the change. And leading organizations, which are taking more evolved views of the rationale for AI and automation investment, are in a better position. When organizations take essentially process-focused starting points, then often the experiences of people are secondary, and engaging those people in imagining the change and making the change real can easily be sidelined. When organizations take a perspective that's more rooted in improving the effectiveness and resilience of a workplace, though, it's much more natural to engage people and their concerns with seriousness and respect before, during, and after any automation takes place. Ultimately, this latter approach is going to deliver much more sustainable and scalable success. Because unless your goal is to eradicate people completely from your business, bringing people on the automation journey with you is absolutely essential. Thanks very much for watching. Please, as always, let me know what you think. And if you enjoyed this, please like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you again soon. Take care, everyone. Cheers.